Hello, lesson number 5 is about land use. The growth of the human race has meant that there is less space and fewer resources for other organisms on Earth. Building, dumping waste, farming and quarrying all take up space and deplete resources. So peat is a deposit of partially decayed plant material which accumulates in bogs. Carbon remains in the plant instead of being released into the atmosphere. The destruction of peat bogs has become more common, resulting in the burning or decay of peat. This release of the stored carbon into the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Another negative impact of peat bog destruction is the loss of biodiversity within a habitat. Peat bogs are being destroyed for the following reasons: to free up land for farming, which requires the bogs to be drained. This draining process stimulates peat decay. To burn the peat for fuel, to sell the peat to gardeners as garden compost. Peat demand can be reduced by gardeners using peat-free compost. Examples of this are manure or bark chippings. Deforestation is the cutting, clearing and removal of forests in order to free up land for biofuels, fuels derived from living matter, as well as cattle and rice fields. Negative consequences associated with deforestation include methane. Forests are often chopped down to be replaced by agriculture with the purpose of growing rice or farming cattle. These activities produce methane, which is a greenhouse gas. The burning of trees and decomposition of wood increases the rate of carbon dioxide that is released into the atmosphere. As less photosynthesis is taking place, less carbon dioxide can be removed from the atmosphere. Ecosystem services. Ecosystems provide things that we don't really think about, like soil and water. These are both very important. Deforestation causes a loss of ecosystem services provided by forests, such as erosion prevention, where the roots stop the soil eroding, flood control, and food provision.